to the News with No Bias.
News with no exemption.
I am Genevieve Stoyan.
And I'm Lian Grace de la Cruz.
Welcome to Albanian News.
Teachers' Day Celebration. Achievement of Andarayan teachers and students. Weather condition of Cagayan, Apayao, and Kalinga. Athletes' preparation for provincial meet. Andarayan National High School athletes are starting their training for the nearest provincial meet, determined to bring home again the championship. The training of the champions in the recent municipal meet is to improve their skills under the guidance of their coaches. The sports coordinates and students of Andarayan have always given their full support to the athletes, aiming not only to defend the school title, but also to elevate their reputation. The entire school community is anticipating the athletes' success in the upcoming competition. Weather condition as of December 6, 2024, no low pressure area are being monitored for tropical cyclone formation. But due to shoreline affecting the eastern section of northern Luzon and northeast monsoon affecting extreme northern Luzon, weather conditions at Cagayan, Apayao, and Kalinga are cloudy skies with scattered rain shower and thunderstorm. It may impact possible flash floods or landslide due to moderate to, at times, heavy rains. Thank you.
Chika muna! Andarayan National High School proudly extended their heartfelt congratulations of students who participated in the recent competition and their respective coach. Also, congratulations to Mrs. Jennifer Luby Abuzo for being honored as the most outstanding Key Stage 4 Master Teacher at the prestigious 2024 Saludo Awards on October 4, 2024. Chika muna! Just this last October 3, 2024, Andarayan National High School was celebrated their Teachers' Day to express a heartfelt gratitude of every student to their respective advisor, non-teaching officials, subject teacher, and their very own principal, Mr. Joel M. Kamaya. The first day of school to the last, all teachers have guided us with patience, wisdom, and effort. They challenge us to think critically, push us to step outside our comfort zone, and to embrace our unique talents. Toast to all teachers who have made a difference in our lives. Your dedication, passion, and unwavering belief in us have left an incredible marks in our heart.
Thank you for watching Albanian News. The news with no bias.
News with no exception.
I am Genevieve Stoyan.
And I'm Lian Grace de la Cruz.
Good day and take care, everyone.